About a year ago, America Makes was at the National Maker Fair in New York City. And I had the pleasure of meeting a young woman named Lisa Marie Wiley. And Lisa Marie is a vet who lost her leg serving for our country. So she worked with another woman, Dara Dots, to use 3D printing to recreate her prosthetic, to make it more comfortable for her. When I heard Lisa's story and talked with Lisa and Dara, a light bulb kind of went on in my head. And I realized that there was really an opportunity here to connect the consumer of something with the creator of something. We put all the pieces together and thought, okay, wouldn't it be great if we could create a program that combines all of the elements? So America Makes, in collaboration with 3D veterans and the VA, created a program that teaches vets 3D printing, 3D software, and 3D scanning skills through a project-based learning experience where they create an assistive technology device and that could help foster an entrepreneurial spirit as well as provide real job development skills. And so here we are in San Antonio, kicking off our very first 3D Veterans Additive Manufacturing Training Bootcamp. We have 13 veterans joining us, and we're just really excited to see how this program plays out and to learn a little bit more about what happens when you put the power of 3D printing technology into the hands of people who are excited about it and who can really identify new problems and new challenges to use the technology to create new solutions and new opportunities.
I am setting myself up for my next career. I am excited about it, yes.
I'm ecstatic to have the actual opportunity to be in this program, to learn this much stuff in this short amount of time.
I want to be a maker. I waited for an opportunity to be part of something that's going to change the world, technology, and this is it.
Welcome to St. Philip's College. We're here to help launch an innovative and impactful program that's going to benefit our veterans all across the United States. Along with our friends at 3D Veterans, we're hosting an additive manufacturing boot camp for veterans, teaching them the skills they need to build careers in the 3D printing industry. Welcome to this America Makes moment.
We are in a country of builders and makers. There's no population better suited to build and create than our veterans.
Everyone knows that veterans are disciplined, have loyalty, and a lot of great character attributes, but they're also very skilled technically and mechanically. And so this program is going to showcase the types of skills that they do have, and they'll be given the access to the technology to be able to make an impact in the veteran communities. Over 6 weeks, the veterans will learn how to 3D model, they'll have a basic understanding of material sciences, and they will work with the 3D printers to be able to design and 3D print through the machines while working with hands-on projects every day.
So this 6-week program was designed to give them a background in computer-aided design, 3D printing, scanning, modification of three-dimensional files before they're sent to a 3D printer, as well as post-processing.
Thanks to some incredible collaborations from Google.org and America Makes and 3D Veterans and the San Antonio VA, we applied for this program.
About a year ago, we launched this program in collaboration with America Makes called the VA Innovation Creation Series. And our goal for that was to accelerate the development of personalized assistive technologies for veterans faced with disabilities. So we first found 3D Veterans through America Makes. As we started collaborating with America Makes on this opportunity, we realized a critical piece of this was going to be the curriculum. And so we really wanted veterans teaching other veterans.
The veterans who were selected for the program were extremely excited to be given this opportunity and to be also given the opportunity to give back to the veteran community. We hoped for 20, but we received over 70 applications for the program.
It's an exciting opportunity. When he sent the email out, I read up on it. I was like, wow, this is, the way of the future.
So I'm a transitioning soldier looking for the next part of my life. I currently volunteer with a foundation here in San Antonio called Adaptive Vet. And what we do is we actually go out and adapt homes for veterans that are disabled. And I thought with this 3D manufacturing program, not only do I get to adapt the soldier's home to make them feel free at home, but also possibly create something that makes them feel better about themselves in life.
In all my years as a veteran and in my education, when I saw that the Department of Veterans is taking hold of this future technology, they were right on the nose, because this is a vision that's for today going towards tomorrow.
But we're not in this alone. We have several partners helping with this project, along with local manufacturing organizations and employers eager to step up and help our veterans develop their new careers.
So the way that Autodesk fits into this project, 3D Veterans, is we help develop some of the educational content that the students are going to be using throughout the course. Autodesk has a full range of software solutions for additive manufacturing, design, and they're going to be using Autodesk software throughout the entire class.
It was an obvious fit for St. Philip's, for the center, and for the veterans that he was going to offer this for.
The 3D Veterans Program is important because there's not a 3D workforce out there today. They have the experience, they have the rigor, they have the professionalism, and they understand process. So I know when you ask a veteran to do something or task them, they're going to do it.
Anytime that we can look at a public-private partnership where the private sector and the public sector can work together to help bring and keep or create more jobs here in the U.S., that's exciting.
At the core of this program are the veterans themselves. They have an innate desire to take the tools they learn here and apply them in a meaningful way.
There's a brother and sisterhood in the military that you really can't describe. A lot of our brothers and sisters go out to war and come back wounded, and so there's a very special tie in the veteran community.
No one asks to be injured, or they're just doing their job. So if we can give back to them to have a mental, more positive outlook on things, that's kind of why we're here on Earth, right? Is to give back.
I mean, I've served with people who went over to, the Middle East, be it Iraq, be it Kuwait, be it Afghanistan, and some of them were injured in the line of duty. Either they lost a limb, be it an arm or leg, and yeah. So I guess it is a little bit of an emotional motivator as well.
I am here to tell them they have not wasted their time with me. I have a goal, which is for them to help me succeed to give those around me.
Thank you again all for attending today's special event, where 13 veterans graduate the inaugural 3D Veterans Additive Manufacturing Bootcamp. At the kickoff event for the program, I challenged each of these veterans to embrace what would be the most intensive course that they had ever gone through. And I don't think they knew it back then, but I'm sure they can all understand what I meant now. I'm so impressed and proud of each and every one of you.
So in all honesty, when Michael first told me about this, I felt it was such an aggressive ramp of 6 weeks. How could they possibly get this stuff done? So I came today not knowing what to expect and am blown away by the things they've created. I cannot get over. I've taken pictures, stuff to show my CEO, something to show my sister. I have a disabled nephew. There's something here that would be amazing for him. I mean, this is crazy. I'm so impressed.
It seems like something that we should be doing as a country, and to see these fine men and women really giving back in a really cool way and learning new skills, and I've seen a lot of excitement.
So what I've actually created is a exoskeletal glove that goes over the hand to assist people that have either stroke or TBI type injuries.
My project consists of creating graphically enhanced prosthetics. The one that I'm creating for my project is for the leg, and it's a lattice work.
What if I make it one of these devices that has a built-in orthotic? And I grabbed a foot from theirs that had a similar curvature to the arch issues that I have, and I used that as my modeling tool and built my custom orthotic from it.
So I was just going through a few ideas, and finally I went with an ankle, like an actual functioning ankle that could, have regular range of motion.
My design is for a carpal tunnel brace. It will be something that can be wrapped around, and still provide the support that you would need.
I've learned a lot. We did a lot with software design, CAD design, technical drawing. We had to come up with research ideas. We visit veterans and we talk to them to get ideas.
I didn't know if I was going to make it. Learning a new language is difficult. And to see a product in the end after 6 weeks is amazing.
The amount of knowledge and information that has been bestowed upon us has just been astounding.
Well, there's tech shops and maker spaces and facilities that are pretty well equipped where they could link into and gain access to more equipment and expertise. And so I'm pretty sure those groups would be more than happy to welcome them in to make it an even richer experience.
I hope that they continue to expand it, localize it, and continue to have people like me from other companies come to meet them so these people have avenues to find employment post something like this, as well as avenues for them to continue with these projects. And maybe some of these are going to turn into actual real things that people are using, which is just fantastic.
Well, I think our veterans deserve it, to be given the opportunities and exciting technologies such as additive manufacturing is very important for them and for the future in advanced manufacturing.
I'm going to continue knocking on the doors and say I'm the guy. And if you get me, you get quality.